Now, of course, I was ecstatic when I found out that I won. I had a choice of 3 fabrics to choose from. I'll tell you what the options are and then the one I chose and why. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is about the giveaway that I won over on Instagram back in July. This giveaway was hosted by Angela of Angie So Fancy. I'll put her tag below. I was the lucky winner. I had a choice of 3 fabrics, and I'll tell you what those are. Get my phone because I can't remember off the top of my head. Okay, so option number 1 was a beige and brown cotton linen, 2 3/4 yards. Option number 2 was a navy and white poly linen, 3 3/4 yards. And then option number 3 was a white cotton sateen, 4 yards of fabric. So I did choose option number 3, the white cotton sateen, 4 yards of fabric. Not because it was 4 yards, but hey, I mean, why not take the yardage, right? So number 1, maybe the yardage, you know. Number 2, it is all white. And I know they say, no white after Labor Day, but I don't really follow that rule. Do you? If you do, let me know down in the comments and why, okay? But I feel like there are going to be white parties going on, and I don't have a lot of white, so this was my chance to get my hand on some white fabric. Number 2, I've never worked with cotton sateen. She stayed in touch with me as far as the tracking information. She sent me the tracking information, made sure I received it. And when I did, she followed up with me to see how I like it. And I did tell her that I hadn't unpackaged it yet. But as soon as I did something with it, I'd be sure to tag her on any posts, videos, or whatever. So I hadn't taken this out of the package, number 1, because it's white and I don't want anything to happen to it. So what I did like about this when I saw it, number 1, the packaging. It is in clear packaging and it's a zipper pouch. So I felt like she really went through the trouble to make sure that my fabric was secure. I also like this little tag down here, if you can see that. I don't know if that's focusing or not. And then it is a personalized sticker that says Happy Sewing Tequila. And it's in purple, and that is my favorite color. So I was already excited. So let's open up the package and see what the fabric is like. I didn't open this before because I knew I wouldn't be able to get it back into the package the way it came to me. But I do like this. She still has it wrapped in another protective layer. I like that. Oh, so like a pouch. Oh, okay, Angie, you are fancy. Okay. Oh, okay. So yes, I think this would work nice as a dress or a jumpsuit. It's kind of giving me the structure and feel of kind of like bed sheet. I don't know. It seems like it would have some good drape and flow. I don't know. I would hold its structure pretty good. We'll see. But again, like I said, I haven't worked with it. So if anyone has worked with cotton sateen, please leave me some handy tips and tricks down in the comments if you have any. Whatever I make with this, I really want to be a success. I don't have any white and I do need some all white. So whatever I make with this, I do want it to be a success. And of course, I will do a muslin. But I just wanted to hop on real quick and share that with you guys and let you know that these giveaways are for real, for real. I remember being on Instagram years ago. Let me just say that my husband and I have been off social media for about 2 or 3 years. And we just recently got back on in January of 2021 to support our businesses that we are trying to grow. My husband is a notary and he's TruLuv Notary Service here on YouTube and over on Instagram. He does has his Instagram page going, but we are working on getting his YouTube set up. So if any of you are interested in notary work, my husband is a notary and he does online notarizations as well. But anywho, got back on Instagram, and of course it's all new to me because I've been out for a while, and all I used to do when I was on Instagram was post pictures. So they always have a lot of giveaways. I'm not gonna win. But this is win number 3 or 4. I can't remember. I know I've only posted one giveaway win, but there has been 2 others, and I will make a video about those. And I was just informed of another giveaway that I won today, so that makes 5. But I will make videos about those as well. But anywho, video has been longer than need be. So if you are interested in seeing more sewing content and content like this from me, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell so you'll know when my next video is posted. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.